I am needing to replace this gas can nozzle because as you can see, it's pretty broken there. And every time I try to actually use it, it just leaks out all over the place, which is definitely not safe. So I bought this gas can sprout replacement, a long nozzle, and several of these connectors. So hopefully one of these will be the right size for my gas can. Actually, it looks like they're all the right size, and that the only difference between them is that some of them are taller than others, and that they're threaded just a little bit different. So this should definitely work. Going with this one here. Got the hose nozzle all attached. There's also various cap pieces that you can use. So I'm gonna fill up the gas tank on the mower and see if this does the job. And that is working just perfectly fine. So definitely happy with this. That is definitely way better than leaking all over the place like I had been doing. So if you have a large gas can like this one, this is a 5-gallon gas can. Works pretty good. If you'd like to purchase it, there's a link in the description. We get a small commission and it would really help us out. Hey, my name's Chris, and with my wife Abby's help, we're on a quest to review literally everything.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense.